Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Buying a home is a big step, and many people consider every available resource. Your 401k, designed for retirement, might seem like an unlikely source, but it can actually be an option. We often get asked if you can tap into these savings for a down payment or other housing costs. There are indeed two primary methods you might consider, either borrowing money against your account or taking a direct withdrawal from it. Let's explore how each of these works. One popular way to use your 401k is by taking a loan against it. This isn't like a traditional bank loan. You're essentially borrowing from yourself, and the interest you pay goes right back into your own retirement account. This can be appealing because there's usually no credit check involved, and the repayment terms can be quite flexible, often allowing up to 5 years. It's a way to access funds without truly withdrawing them from your long-term savings. Alternatively, you could opt for a direct 401k withdrawal. This means you're permanently removing money from your retirement savings, which comes with significant implications. Generally, these withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income, adding to your taxable earnings for the year. And if you're not yet 59 and a half, you'll likely face an additional 10% early withdrawal penalty on top of those taxes. It's a path that can severely impact your future financial security. Before making any decision, it's crucial to weigh the long-term impact on your retirement. Taking money from your 401k, whether a loan or withdrawal, means that money isn't growing for your future. Think about other financing avenues first, like traditional mortgages or government-backed loans, which might be more suitable. It's always wise to speak with a qualified financial advisor who can help you understand all the implications for your personal financial health. Ultimately, deciding whether to use your 401k for a home is a very personal financial decision. There are definite trade-offs to consider with both loans and withdrawals, and what works for one person might not be right for another. Evaluate your current financial situation, your future retirement goals, and all available alternatives. Making an informed choice ensures you're building both a home and a strong financial future for yourself. Always make the decision that feels most secure for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.